everyone. Welcome to the ZeusAI Podcast series, your weekly dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, Priya, CIO of Zeus Fire and Security. And today we're going to talk about something that affects your business, whether you realize it or not, the voice of your data. Imagine walking into a room filled with conversations, but instead of people talking, it's your data. Sales numbers whisper trends, customer feedback shouts warnings, and operational inefficiencies mumble in frustration. The question is, are you truly listening? In a world saturated with data, businesses often collect information without harnessing its full power. We don't just need to analyze data, we need to listen to it, decode its hidden messages, and act with precision. Ignoring data is like ignoring a patient's symptoms. It only leads to bigger problems. Data speaks, but it doesn't always speak clearly. It comes in structured and unstructured forms: financial reports, customer reviews, IoT sensor feeds, website analytics, and more. Each data set tells a fragment of a larger narrative, but without context and correlation, it's just noise. Data architecture matters. Implement a well-structured data warehouse or data lake to store and manage diverse data types efficiently. Data integration. Use ETL. Extract, transform, load. Tools like Talend, Apache NiFi, or Fivetran to consolidate disparate data sources into a unified platform. Data modeling. Ensure clear data governance frameworks and use schema designs like Star Schema or Snowflake Schema to maintain data consistency and usability. For example, an e-commerce company may see a spike in cart abandonment rates. The numbers tell us what is happening, but the real insights lie in why. Is it due to pricing sensitivity, a complicated checkout process, a payment gateway failure? Businesses that merely glance at surface level metrics without diving deeper risk making the wrong decisions based on incomplete stories. Recognizing relationships in data is key. Revenue may rise, but if customer churn is increasing, is that growth sustainable? A company may see high employee retention, but if engagement levels are dropping, what does that predict for future performance? Recognizing these signals before they turn into crisis is the art of data fluency. Data is like a conversation. It speaks, but are we truly listening? Many organizations have sophisticated data collection mechanisms, but lack the ability to extract meaning. Real listening requires connecting disparate data points, understanding emotions behind customer behavior, and spotting invisible friction points. Use AI and machine learning to detect anomalies and predictive trends in customer behavior, supply chains, and workforce productivity. Tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Azure AI can uncover hidden insights. Leverage NLP, natural language processing, for text-based analysis of customer reviews, support tickets, and social media to extract sentiment and emerging concerns. Data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Looker can help teams spot trends that raw numbers alone cannot reveal. Real-world example? Levi Strauss & Company, the iconic denim brand, provides a compelling example of active data listening. Facing a rapidly changing fashion landscape, Levi's partnered with Google Cloud to harness vast amounts of data from purchases, web browsing, retail partner sales, and loyalty programs across 110 countries and 50,000 distribution points. By applying machine learning algorithms, they gained insights into purchasing behaviors, revealing a surprising demand for looser-fitting jeans among a broad demographic, not just younger TikTok users. This data-driven approach informed marketing campaigns, stock decisions, and future designs, contributing to a notable 15% increase in loose fit sales. This transformation highlights how listening to data can lead to agility and relevance in the market. This example underscores the importance of not just collecting data, but actively listening to it. By integrating diverse data sources and applying advanced analytics, businesses can uncover hidden opportunities and address potential issues before they escalate. If data had a voice in your boardroom, would it be a trusted advisor or just another metric on a PowerPoint slide? The businesses that will dominate the future are the ones that treat data as a strategic asset, not an afterthought. Build continuous feedback loops. Data should be real time dialogue rather than a historical report. Implement streaming analytics tools like Apache Kafka or Google Dataflow to process data as it happens. Invest in data quality management. Bad data leads to bad decisions. Implement data cleansing techniques and use tools like Informatica, Trifacta, or Great Expectations to ensure accuracy and consistency. Encourage data literacy across teams. Upskilling teams in data interpretation ensures informed decision making. Platforms like DataCamp, Coursera, and Udacity offer courses tailored for non technical professionals to understand and leverage data effectively. Organizations that master these principles don't just react to trends, they anticipate and shape them. They move from passive reporting to proactive decision making, turning insights into a competitive advantage. So, if your data had a voice, what would it say to you today? Would it warn you of inefficiencies before they snowball? Would it highlight untapped opportunities before your competitors do? Would it tell you where your customers are struggling before they churn? The future belongs to businesses that listen, not just with their ears, but with their minds, their analytics, and their strategic intent. The real question is, are you truly listening? And that's a wrap. If this episode got you thinking, subscribe to the ZeusAI podcast and leave a review, because we've got more AI insights coming your way. Find me on LinkedIn at Priya or visit Zeus Fire and Security's website to see how we're making AI work in the real world. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and don't forget to dream big.